Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about online job scams. With the rise of digital communication and the internet, people are looking for ways to make money online and via side hustles. Unfortunately, there are also plenty of scammers out there looking to take advantage of unsuspecting job seekers. In the next few minutes, we will check out some scams and the red flags to watch for. One of the most common online job scams are packaging jobs. These scams usually involve the promise of high pay for simply packaging and shipping products from your home. Sounds easy, right? Well, that's what scammers want you to think. Let's look at one packaging scams that has exploded on Facebook. Hindustan Pencils Private Limited, manufacturers of Natraj and Apsara pencils, has been a victim of such fraudsters. How does this scam take place? The scammers promise Natraj pencil packing jobs from home and advertise via Facebook. The gullible fall for this and communicate with them on phone or via WhatsApp. The scammer then asks the target to pay fees ranging from 120 rupees to 600 rupees to receive packaging material. In return, they promise salaries ranging from 15,000 to 30,000 rupees. Once the gullible person pays up, the scammer disappears. The victims of this scam reported it to the company. Hindustan Pencils Private Limited has denied offering packing jobs from home. Their products are machine-packed in the factory. The company has published a detailed video on their website. The company is now investigating the matter to stop the gullible from being exploited. The company has no role in these scams. Scamsters advertise on social media and even use photos of company events such as exhibitions and of staff to make it seem real. The ad contains phone numbers, WhatsApp numbers, and other communication methods. Red flags to watch out for are: they offer to communicate only via social media channels such as WhatsApp and Telegram. They will never communicate through legitimate company email or number. They ask for initial deposit or payment via UPI apps. How do you know if the ad is real? Before taking up a job like this, verify if the offer is authentic. Check the company website and write to them or call them and ask about the offer. Do not make any payments, and if asked for upfront payment, report the number or the police. Or you'll end up losing money instead of making any. Another popular scam is paper jobs. These jobs often promise high hourly rates for tasks such as data entry, customer service, content writing, or virtual assistant work. While there are legitimate opportunities in these fields, scammers will often ask you to pay a fee upfront or provide sensitive personal information before you can start working. How does this work? The scammers ask you to fill up an online form via Facebook or any other channel. Once they have this data, they will ask you to either make payment or just disappear. Once they have what they want, you'll never hear from them again. How can you identify fake ads on channels such as Instagram and Facebook? Look at the handle or the name of the person publishing the advertisement. They have names with a mix of alphabets, incorrect spellings, and just fancy names. The profile picture will have a pretty woman's stock photo or abstract theme, jumbled alphabets, or fake company names. The ad will have grammar errors. The ad will sport several speech bubbles and large flashy text. The ad will claim to pay per hour or name a huge amount that you can make per day or per week. Fake ads are present not just on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and other social media sites, but also on legitimate job platforms such as freelancer.com, Upwork, Naukri.com, and Monster Jobs, among others. These platforms warn you against communicating with the advertiser outside the platform, as if they scam you, the platform will not be able to help. Both Freelancer and Upwork have a system of verified users and escrow amounts. When you place a bid for a job, always check if the user is verified, has placed a deposit, or has previously employed people on platform before. Get alerted if the advertiser asks for your email or asks to communicate outside the platform. They will claim that you will get higher amount if they don't pay platform charges. They send you detailed persuasive emails with samples of their material. They may ask for a test. Then they will ask you to pay a fee before receiving any more job material to work on. Never get tricked into doing work by paying them. Do not take up jobs which ask you to pay them an initial subscription or joining amount and then promise payouts on work done. Points to remember. First and foremost, do your research. Check the company's website, read reviews from other employees, and never provide payment or personal information upfront. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, no legitimate job opportunity will ever ask you to pay to start working or require you to provide sensitive personal information right off the bat. Stay vigilant, do your research, and trust your gut. Don't let scammers take advantage of your hard work and ambition. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on staying safe and savvy in the online world. Thanks for watching and see you next time.